Good afternoon. I'm Jessica in the studio for Crypto Millionaires. XRP is back in focus as traders weigh two major themes driving sentiment today. Fresh institutional speculation around an eventual US spot XRP exchange-traded product and continued attention on Ripple's global payments strategy. The token has held investor interest because both stories speak directly to liquidity, adoption, and long-term market confidence. First, we go to Chester, who has been tracking how investors are reading the latest ETF chatter and market positioning.
Thanks, Jessica. Across the market, XRP holders are reacting to renewed discussion that a regulated investment vehicle tied to XRP could attract a broader class of capital if the U.S. environment becomes more favorable. Analysts say the big takeaway is not just headline excitement, but what institutional access could mean for daily volume, custody demand, and overall legitimacy among traditional investors watching from the sidelines. For now, traders remain cautious, but the tone has clearly shifted toward preparation instead of pure speculation. If momentum keeps building, XRP could stay at the center of the next institutional crypto conversation. Back to you.
Thanks, Chester. Our second story centers on Ripple's broader utility case, as market participants continue watching the company's push in cross-border payments and enterprise blockchain infrastructure. Supporters argue that every sign of real-world integration strengthens the long-term case for XRP, especially in a market now demanding practical use over hype. Rachel is following that angle for us today.
Jessica, the key point here is that Ripple's business narrative still matters to XRP investors, because adoption headlines can influence how the market values future network relevance. When payment corridors, settlement tools, or enterprise partnerships show progress, traders often interpret that as evidence the ecosystem is maturing beyond speculation and moving closer to durable financial utility. That does not guarantee immediate price acceleration, but it does reinforce the idea that XRP remains one of the most closely watched assets when crypto investors look for adoption-linked narratives. Jessica, back to you.
And that's the picture for XRP right now. Institutional anticipation on one side, utility-driven optimism on the other. Together, those themes are helping shape the next phase of investor expectations. We'll keep tracking price action, Ripple developments, and broader regulation as they unfold. For Crypto Millionaires, I'm Jessica. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next update.